So, what do you need to know to start shooting with the Canon Vixia? Well, for starters, you'll want to use a tripod. A steady shot looks professional, and a tripod guarantees that. First, unlatch the base plate and remove it from the tripod. Pull out the screw handle on the bottom of the plate, locate the threads on the bottom of the camera, and fasten the plate to the camera using the screw handle. Flip the screw handle back down, and pull back the lever, put the plate in, and fasten the lever back to secure the plate. Before you start shooting, you want to make sure that your battery is charged. The charger port is located on the side of the camera. All you have to do is take your charger cord, plug this end into the camera, and plug this end into an electrical outlet. Now you're charging. This light will turn green once the battery is fully charged. Now you're ready to start using the camera. To turn the camera on, just open it up. But the lens cover is shut. The lens cover switch is located right next to the camera lens. Now we can see what we're shooting, but before you start shooting, you need to insert an SD card for the camera to record onto. You insert the card like this. When you feel it click in, that means it's secure. Now you're almost ready to start shooting. But first, you need to know what not to shoot. Avoid shooting your subject in front of a distracting background, or in front of a bright window. You don't want a shot that is underlit. The key is to have your subject and background both lit evenly, like this. And if you're shooting in front of a green screen, your subject should not wear green. Now that the shot's ready, you're ready to start recording. And here's the record button. Press it to start recording, and press it again to stop recording. To zoom in and out, use the lever located on top of the camera. With this camera, you have the option to use an external microphone for audio recording. Without one, your audio might sound something like this.
Hi, my name is Sierra. I am a student in the College of Education and Human Ecology.
But with one, it should sound more like this.
Hi, my name is Sierra. I am a student in the College of Education and Human Ecology.
To review your footage, just press the playback button. To navigate between clips, just swipe left or right on the viewfinder. To watch a clip, just tap it on the screen. Once you've gotten your footage, you're ready to start importing it to a computer for editing. With the camera in playback mode, plug this end of the mini USB cord into the camera, and this end into a USB port on either a Mac or a PC. However, these two types of computers require different importing procedures. On a Mac, your camera will appear like this once it is connected. Before importing, make sure you have a place to store your footage. Once you know where the footage needs to go, open the camera's icon on the desktop. Then, open the private folder. Next, right-click on the AVC HD icon and select Show Package Contents. And do the same on the BDMV icon in the next window. Now open up the Stream folder. Select the files you want to import. Drag the files where you want them to go. And now your files are importing. Once your files are done importing, right-click on the camera icon and select Eject to safely disconnect the camera. On a PC, your camera appears like this. Again, first you need somewhere to put your footage. Then double-click to open the private folder. Do the same to the AVCHD folder, the BDMV folder, and the stream folder. Now select all the files you want to import and drag them to your desired location. Once the importing process is complete, go to your Devices and Drives, right-click on the removable disk, and select Eject to safely disconnect your camera. Now you know everything you need to know about using the Canon Vixia. So stop watching this video and get out there and start making your own!